Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to take you through this plant. Do you know the grapes? This is the plant for the grapes. You see the leaves, they are green. So in Arab's country, you see these leaves. They used to take the leaves and then they stock them in the freezer. And then when they want to make, they take the minced meat with the rice, they mix together. Then they roll them. You have to put them in the water, hot water. You soak them like 2 minutes and then you remove them. And then you take your rice and start rolling them. They call it, in Arabic, they call it Wara'anib, for those who know. So it comes from here, and then you can see the mountains just around us here. The weather here is so good. So I want to show you how we pack them. We pack them so that we can keep them in the freezer. So after bringing them from the garden, you have to go back in the house and then you have to pick each and every leaf, and you have to arrange them, the small ones, the medium ones, and the big ones. You put them in the separate way, and then you arrange them this, because when you arrange them like this, it will be more easier for you to pack them in the papers. Yeah, you see, I have to fix in this paper for packing. I put them in each paper different, and then I'm going to squeeze them and put them in the freezer. Yeah, you can also keep them in the freezer even for 2 years. They're so good and very yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.